in Tacoma, Wade and I met at the state park, Dash Point State Park. We met some lovely people that are from Sequim, Dave and Barbara. When they heard we were heading to Victoria via the Port Angeles ferry, they said, hey, why don't you come and camp at our place? Park your van at our place for a couple of days. We can hang out together and play some bluegrass music. And before you know it, we go, sure. So we picked one night and we are coming to their place. We only met them at the campground and they gave us the address to their home. They'll give us electricity. We're going there for supper. We're going to meet some of their friends and we are in their neighborhood looking for their home right now. So, oh, there's their camper. So here we are. They have made us feel welcome here.
Our last day in Washington before we head into Vancouver Island, and we're stopping off at Lake Crescent Olympic National Park to see some of the bands of snow and fog coming down. It is a little cold. We are going on a hike with Dave and Barb. And this is at Crescent Lake in Olympic National Park.
Okay, round trip it says an hour and a half. It says, it doesn't say how far it is, but oh, hang on a second. It's more than half a mile of lowland forest. The trail climbs gradually.
There's a mile and a bit of straight level walking, hiking. Now more steps, all to see a waterfall in the background. Beautiful little waterfall.
Oh, these are big steps. One feels like it's a little bit raining. We never down the last time we went down.
One more time, wait.
some hiking. We spent 2 wonderful days with new friends, and Sequim is a gorgeous area. And look at those mountains peeking out of the clouds. And we're heading off to a KOA that's close to the Port Angeles ferry. We're taking the Port Angeles ferry to Victoria, and this is our last stop before we head home or head to Canada.
So tomorrow morning we should be in Vancouver Island.
Yeah, it feels weird to be on the last leg of the trip. Campground in the United States, the KOA near Port Angeles.
It's 7 o'clock, almost 7 o'clock on Thursday morning, and we are leaving the KOA at Port Angeles and heading to the Black Ball Ferry, the Coho Ferry. So we are heading back into Canada after almost 90 days in the US, 3 months. So looking forward to it. We've had a great time, but now it's time to move on.
Well, we're getting onto the ferry in Port Angeles, heading to Vancouver Island for probably about 3 weeks. Almost feels like going home, doesn't it? Just going to Canada. Just getting to Canada soil, Canadian soil. Feels like we're
been in the US for 3 months now.
Yeah. It's been wonderful, and we're looking forward to exploring on Vancouver Island. There are a lot of Sprinter vans in here. And I guess this is where we're going to park.